Leonardtown Coffee and Cars. This is the last one of the season. There is one more on the 25th, which is like a trunk or treat. We won't be able to attend that one. We're out of town, but we'll take a look at the cars that are here. I'm John. This is Out of Order Garage. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Oh, we got our Pontiac G8 GT here. There's Tim's 57 Chevy delivery. It's got 350 and a 4-speed in it. Check this out. Got bucket seats and console. A tack. Pretty neat. Always like these trim pieces on the hood. So yeah, there's chrome reverse wheels, really neat. All right, now we got Andy's Daytona Cobra Coupe. This has a 289 Ford in it. I think they made 5 of the original ones, so these are all kits. The originals are worth quite a chunk of change. These are really neat too. Check that out. Neat. Got a 5.0 Mustang GT convertible Fox body. It's just the 87 to 93 with the aerodynamic nose. Very nice. Another Mustang. 5.0. Here's one with the 2.3 turbo 4-cylinder. There's Tom's Mach 1. Love the colors on the striping. Oh, got a hook in case you need to tow it off the track or whatever. So these guys are all part of the Pax River Mustang Club. There's the social. Devil's Triangle. Well, there you have it. Small turnout. Better than nothing. As always, we thank everybody for watching. I'm John. This has been Out of Order Garage. Appreciate all the support. Thanks a lot.